Hello and welcome to Pencil. To kick things off, let's start with a brief overview. Pencil is a platform built for educators that allows teachers and tutors to create and manage course content and run live lessons. Today, we will be going over Pencil's library, administrative tools, and our virtual classroom called Pencil Spaces. With access to all of Pencil, you can have your own institution where you can create your own courses and add any other users. You also have full control over who has access to your own content. Within a course, you can create lessons for asynchronous learning delivery. Just create your own chapters, lessons, and add any explanatory materials. You can also create a question bank that your students can use for practice. With our filters and topics, keeping your content organized is easy. You can also create worksheets in just a few clicks by selecting any questions and adding them to a set. Within a set, you can add any questions or notes and use them for printable worksheets for students to practice, or you can use them for live lessons in Pencil Spaces. Practice mode allows your students to answer any multiple choice questions within a set or within the entire library. Questions get graded automatically and can be accessed in the Analytics tab, where teachers can view a detailed summary of the student's performance. With our built-in scheduling and messaging tool, you can schedule any classes to run in Pencil Spaces, and you can set up private and group messages for students, teachers, or parents in your institution. We also give you access to 100 gigabytes of cloud-based file storage in Pencil Files. Here, you can store any PDFs, images, or videos and use them anywhere in Pencil. Use Pencil Spaces for your live classes. You can easily invite any of your students, create multiple whiteboard canvases, and use infinite space on the canvas. All spaces save automatically, so you can access them anytime. You can upload any files, questions, or sets from your library, and allow your students to collaborate with course materials in real time. You also no longer need to open a video conferencing tool in a new window or tab, as Pencil Spaces offers all of the video conferencing tools that you need for your live classes. We also offer classroom management tools like Leader Mode, where you can get your students to follow you on the whiteboard. In addition, you have the ability to lock the whiteboard from students to prevent them from editing. Those are the basics of what Pencil has to offer in a short demo video. So, how much does it cost? We offer the full premium version of Pencil that you see here for just $25 per teacher per month. For annual plans, we bring it down to just $20 per teacher per month. You can also gain access to a free version that gives you access to Pencil Spaces minus the question library, Pencil Files, and other advanced features. If you're interested in trying Pencil yourself, you can either try a free version at pencilspaces.com, or you can start your 30-day free trial by scheduling a live onboarding session with me or my team. Thank you for watching.